Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. You will also need a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and the correct type of coolant for your vehicle. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and safer. Next, you'll need to gain access to the thermostat housing. This typically involves removing the air filter housing and possibly some other components to clear the area. Once you have clear access, position a drain pan beneath your radiator. You can either open the drain plug, which may require removing the bumper cover on some models, or carefully disconnect the lower radiator hose to drain the coolant. Remember to dispose of the old coolant responsibly. With the coolant drained, you can now focus on the thermostat housing. Disconnect the coolant hoses attached to it, using hose clamp pliers if needed. Then, remove the mounting bolts that secure the thermostat housing to the engine. Carefully pull the housing away, being prepared for any remaining coolant to spill. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly, then install your new thermostat and gasket, making sure it's oriented correctly before reattaching the housing and hoses. Finally, it's time to refill your cooling system. Use a spill-free funnel and the manufacturer-recommended 50/50 coolant mixture. Start the engine with the heater set to maximum to help purge air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level in the funnel, adding more as needed until no more bubbles appear. Once the engine reaches operating temperature and the upper radiator hose is warm, indicating the thermostat has opened, check for any leaks. After confirming no leaks, you're all set. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.